Good morning, dear student. I am your Rahul sir and I am your math teacher. Dear student, our country is going on very terrible phase and corona cases are increasing day by day. In this case, you should avoid to go outside. You must wear a mask and wash your hand regularly. Okay? Right now I am going to continue the chapter number 1 and the question number G of the question number 9. Okay? Just look at the board. Question number G. Of the question number 9 at page number 8. Okay? Any doubt? $500 HUNDRED 500 plus 3 tens plus 8 plus 8 ones is equal to 500 3 tens and 8 ones is equal to 538. First of all, we will write 8, then 3, and then 5. 538. Okay? You got it? Just like that. Question number question number H. 800 HUNDRED 800 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones is equal to, first of all we will write 3 and at the place of tens 0 and at the place of 100 8. That's why we will read 803. Okay? Are you getting? Look at the board. $503 tens and 8 was is equal to 538. H number 800 plus 0 tens plus 3 was is equal to 803. Okay? Next, I number 200 plus 1 tens 110 plus 9 ones is equal to 9, then 1, and at the place of 100 219. Three hundred plus 5 tens plus 0 ones is equal to 0, 5 and 3. 350. Write it in your copy. Now I am going to erase the board. Key number 400 plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. यहाँ पर जिसका एस छूट गया है तो पहले वाला में वो एस लिख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। ये एस छूट गया है तो आप वहाँ पर एस लिख दीजिए, हंड्रेड्स कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है। जो कि आपके बुक में ऐसे दिया हुआ है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 7, 0 and 4. 407. Okay, let us move to the another question. Question number 10. Fill in the blanks. Question number A is saying the largest one digit number is. Dear student, do you know what is the largest number of one digit? You know? Yes or no? The largest one digit number is 9. Okay? Just look at the board. Question number 10. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A number. The largest one-digit number is the largest one-digit number is 9. Okay. Next, B number, the smallest. SMALLEST. The smallest one digit number is 1. Okay. Fill in the blanks. A number, the largest one-digit number is 9. B number, the smallest one-digit number is 1. Write it in your copy. Okay. C number, the smallest two digits number is the smallest two-digit number is. Do you know what is the smallest of two-digit number? 1010. Okay? Are you getting? D number, the largest two-digit number is 99. Okay? Any doubt? The smallest two-digit number is 10. D number, the largest E number. The smallest three-digit number is the smallest three-digit number is 100. Okay, 100. F number. The largest three-digit number is 999. Okay, tomorrow we will read question number 11 and solve it. Okay, homework. Read out these questions. QUESTIONS at home. Date 26 April 2021. Okay, read out this question at home. अभी जितना भी चीज पढ़ाया गया उसको आपको अपने नोट कॉपी में उतार करके आपको व्हाट्सएप में भेजना है. देन वी विल चेक इट. ओके, डियर स्टूडेंट, बी केयरफुल एंड बी सेफ. जय हिंद.